The question was once asked, is there anything more beautiful in life than a boy and a girl clasping clean hands and pure hearts in their path of marriage? Can there be anything more beautiful than young love? And the answer given was yes. Yes, there is a more beautiful thing. It is an old man and an old woman finishing their life's journey together on that path. Their hands are gnarled, but still clasped. Their faces are wrinkled, but still radiant. Their hearts are physically bowed and tired, but still strong with love and devotion for one another. Yes, there is a more beautiful thing than young love, old love. Grow old along with me. The best is yet to be. When our time has come, we will be as one. God bless our love. When the day is done, God bless our love. Grow old along with me, whatever fate decrees. We will see it through, for our love is true. God bless our love. God bless our love. Heather and Bill, commit today to trust in each other. Commit today to trust in love with all your hearts. And you will see you will be okay. Because God is love. And love conquers all. Amen. The vows we will make are a solemn pledge of love. They affirm your love for one another join in marriage. As you join your right hands and declare your vows to one another.
In the presence of God and our family and friends. I, Heather, take you, Bill, to be my husband, to have and to hold